everybody. Hello, stampers near and far. It's me, your host, Laura Buechler with Inkyfingers Papercrafting, here for another episode of Make It Monday. And I'm noticing that my lighting is making my face look even weirder than it actually is. So let's see if we can change that, because no one needs me to look like I don't know, AI. We have enough AI. We don't need any extra AI, right? All right, so here we are for another episode of Make It Monday. I'm so excited to be here with you today because I passionately believe three things. First of all, everyone is creative. Second of all, creativity should be fun. And third of all, creativity is good for us. So I am excited for Make It Monday. Hey, Carol, thank you for joining me. And thank you, shout out to those of you who are watching the replay. Very glad to have you on board. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that heart button. That really helps me. And don't forget to stick around to the end of the video because we're going to be giving away this gorgeous card. My assistant Stevie is going to take that off stage right now, but he'll be back later to help me give that card away. Thank you so much, Stevie. Thank you, as always, for being such a terrific assistant. All right, so let us switch our camera here. All right, did you notice I put my peel and stick wallpaper back on my desk? Now, today's Make It Monday is all about I can't believe it's retiring. As we know, we have two catalogs that are retiring. Let's see here. We have the lovely spring mini catalog, which has been with us since January, and we have the annual catalog, which came out last May. Both of them are retiring at the end of April, and there are tons of products. Well, let me first say there are lots of products that are carrying over to the new catalog, and there are many, many products that are not. So today's video, I'm featuring some of the products that are some of my favorites that I can't believe are not carrying over. So we have the Go-To Greetings stamp set. How fantastic is this stamp set with several versions of happy birthday, just a note, thinking of you, and thank you. This is going to get you covered for so many different projects, right? So I love that. This is the painted, I want to say painted posies, 3D embossing folder, and this is retiring. Okay, these are stamps from that stamp set, and oh my gosh, I am stunned to report that the double oval punch is retiring. So sad about that. Now, to console us in our gloom, I am also featuring the gorgeous Meandering Meadow Designer Series paper. It's a stunning 6x6 Designer Series paper, and this paper is not retiring. This is available online. If you go to inkyfingers.ca/online, you will find this beautiful paper. It's absolutely gorgeous, and we're going to be using some of it today. All right, so enough talking. Let's get on with the crafting, right? Okay, first of all, I'm going to start with my embossing folder, and I've got some basic white cardstock. I'm just going to lay that into my embossing folder and grab my beautiful machine. So what has everybody been up to? Carol, what were you up to on the weekend? Did you do anything fun? It was sure gorgeous weather here in Nanaimo, at least yesterday it was. I don't know about Saturday. I was out of town, so I don't know if it was beautiful weather then, but it was sure gorgeous yesterday. I don't know about you, but I am definitely ready for the beautiful spring weather. Okay, so here is our embossed cardstock. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I just love it. And it is so thick and detailed and textured. It's just beautiful. So naturally, I will be sad to see that embossing folder go, which is not to say that there aren't embossing folders that are at least as awesome on the new catalog, but still. Okay. There we go. My light is acting weird. Let's try that. Oh, you baked cookies. Nice. What kind of cookies did you make? I love, well, truth be told, I love most kinds of cookies, but I think if I were to bake some, I would make oatmeal raisin or peanut butter, because I don't know, it just seems like there are chocolate chip cookies wherever you turn, but oatmeal raisin, which is one of my daughter's favorites as well as mine, and peanut butter cookies are just a little bit harder to come by. I don't know. What kind did you make, Carol? Chocolate chip and some gluten-free. Oh, that's nice. Do you have some people in your family who are gluten-free? I'm sure they appreciated that. Oh, goodness. Look at what happened. So I was using my handy-dandy silicone mat the other day for some multi-purpose gluing. And when I pressed it down onto my desk, all the adhesive came off. But when you have a nice peel and stick wallpaper on your desk, like I do, it's a non-stick surface. So I can just brush all that gunk right off. And I can brush it off my silicone mat too. Just scratch it right off and get back to work. Okay, so, oh, you're gluten-free, yes, okay. Ooh, okay, now I'm looking at both sides of this paper. Ooh, they're both beautiful. Of course they are. Oh, hi, Melinda. Thanks for tuning in. It's sunny and warm where you are too. I'm going to assume that WV means West Virginia. Tell me if I'm wrong. I'm sure I could make up other things it could stand for. I don't know which side to use. I'm gonna go with the tree side because that's what I imagined it to start. Okay. So my piece of designer series paper here is 2.5 by 4.5 inches, and my cardstock mat is just a little bit wider than that. What I've really been enjoying lately is borders of 3/16 of an inch, which seems really complicated, but if you just line up your cardstock at the same measurement that your DSP was, so say 2.5, and then you just nudge it 3 clicks over, 3 of the teeniest little clicks on your trimmer, that's 3/16. So I don't even know what the measurement is on this. I 3 clicks bigger. So for you, you could have just go 1/4 of an inch. Okay, that's interesting. Face disappeared for a moment there. Okay, so Melinda, yes, it is West Virginia. Very cool. It's sunny and warm there. It's sunny and warm here. Now I've got some pretty ribbon I'm going to use, and if you look closely, there are some pretty petal pink flowers in that meadow. So that's why I've chosen this ribbon. This is from the what's it called? Zoo Crew suite in the current annual catalog. And although most of the items from that suite are retiring, I believe this ribbon is continuing. So it's a ribbon combo pack where you get a roll of pretty pink and a roll of lemon lime twist. Oh, hey, Connie. Oh my goodness, we've got so many people tuning in today. I'm sorry, Connie, that my voice is cutting out. I keep trying to get better and better at my tech, and I think I do get better and better at it, but also new problems pop up all the time that I need to figure out how to solve. So bear with me, and hopefully we'll still be able to create a beautiful card together. Where are you tuning in from, Connie? I'm doing one of my favorite little cheater moves where I don't have to tie a bow or tie a knot on the front of, like, it looks like I wrapped this ribbon around and then tied a knot in it, but I actually used an extra piece of ribbon to create that knot, which means, among other things, that I can put it wherever I want it to be. It can go way over here or way over there or in the middle or whatever I want. And the other bits of ribbon are secured at the back. North Carolina. Oh, very cool. And okay, are you a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, Connie? Because the reason I'm asking is I understand that the next Stampin' Up! Convention on stage is being held in Carolina. And I don't know, you know, I'm up here in Canada. I'm very ignorant of U.S. geography, but I believe it's being held in Raleigh. And I don't know if that's in North Carolina or South Carolina. But anyway, for sure a lot closer to you than it is to me. All right, so I'm going to get now some scrap cardstock. I've got petal pink and basic white cardstock, and I'm going to punch one of these out of petal pink, the scalloped oval, and then the little plain oval out of basic white. Look at that, double oval punch. How useful is that? And it's retiring. I can't believe it. All right. Now I grabbed 2 stamps here. We could make it a thank you card or just a note card. So all of you who are watching, you can make your votes while I get my ink pad ready. Thank you. I see a couple of people are giving this video thumbs up and giving it some hearts, and I love that. Super appreciate it because that helps Facebook to know how much fun we have together on Make It Mondays, and that it's helpful to show this video to other people so that they can learn how much fun it is to craft together. Okay, and I wanted to grab Blueberry Bushel just in case my petal pink doesn't show up too well. Okay, Raleigh is in North Carolina, several hours away. Not a demonstrator, just enjoy the craft. Oh, that's great, Connie. Thank you so much for tuning in. We got 2 votes for just a note. It looks like there are 4 people watching, so I'm going to wait to see if we get one more vote. Hopefully it doesn't tie. Then I'll be really stuck, won't I? But we'll see. We'll see what happens. We've got... I'm tidying up my supplies here. There's one more thing I want to grab. So all of you who are watching, which of the products I've shown you so far, which are all retiring, let's see, we've got the Go-To Greeting Stamp Set, we've got the Double Oval Punch, and we've got the Painted Posies 3D Embossing Folder. Which one of those are you most shocked is retiring? Tell me in the comments so that I can agree with you, because I'm shocked at all of them. So shocked. Okay, Connie says just a note too. So obviously we're doing just a note. Love it. And as we know, we're going to give away this card next week on next week's video. So if you are interested in winning this card that I'm making right now, all you need to do is share the video and then leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared. And I will be giving that away live on next week's Make It Monday. All right, so we've got just a note here. I'm going to grab my adhesive and just give that a little bit of sticky and put it on the scalloped oval. Look at how cute that is. Okay, Carol says Painted Posy and Oval Punch. Melinda says the punch and the Go-To Greetings. I know. I'm shocked. Shocked at all of it. Okay, I want a dimensional. All I can find is my mini dimensionals, and that's fine. I'm going to put one here and one here. And then on this side, I'm just going to put a little bit of sticky. Oh, thank you, Melinda, for sharing the video. Oh, I guess it would help. Do you think it would help if I took the backings off the dimensionals? Survey says, yeah, probably would help. Okay. So there's my sentiment, just a note. Look at those beautiful colors, the petal pink and the blueberry bushel, and how they highlight the colors within the designer series paper. Absolutely beautiful. I'll remind you, this gorgeous designer series paper is not retiring. It is part of the online exclusives offer. It's called Meandering Meadow, and it will be available until supplies run out. So make sure you go to inkyfingers.ca/online and you can see all of the online exclusives. There's a lot more to it than just what's in the catalog. Yes, thank you, Connie. I think it's beautiful too. And it needs one more thing, right? What does every card need? It needs bling. So I'm going to clean up my stamp set here. And we're going to put some bling on it. And friends, I'm sorry to tell you, we are putting on some bling that is retiring. This is your final, oh my gosh, I can't believe it's retiring. For today's video, at least. We are showing the iridescent rhinestones, and these are retiring. These embellishments have been for the last, I don't know, year or something. They are one of the, I put this bleep on everything embellishments for me because they go with everything, right? They have a beautiful iridescent shine to them, but there's no specific color. So you can put them on every project. They are going to go with every project that you create. Okay, so I'm going to put that up there. So there we go. There's some gorgeous bling to finish up our card. Yeah, right, Carol? Iridescent rhinestones are retiring. I cannot believe it either. If you would like to see the full retiring list, by the way, just go to inkyfingers.ca/retire and you can see the whole list of what's retiring. And there are some significant discounts going on from 10 to 60% on some of those retiring items. All of the retiring items are while supplies last. When they're gone, they are gone. And if you are, well, if you're local or not, I am placing an order this Friday, April 19th. If you're local, you can participate in it by getting in touch with me. If you're not local, you can participate in it by just shopping online at inkyfingers.ca. And in either case, you will be entered in the Mystery Hostess draw. Every $20 you order will get you one entry into the Mystery Hostess draw. And then you might be getting some free products, my friend. Oh, thank you, Carol. Oh, I'm so happy that you love the card. Yeah, the bling really makes the card pop, right? Okay, so we'll be giving away that card next week with my lovely assistant, Stevie. But in the meantime, he's going to bring back last week's card and tell us about who won. Thank you, Stevie. So appreciate you and all your help. Okay, here he comes. Okay, Stevie, who won last week's card? Who won this beautiful butterfly card? Carol! Yay! All right. All right, congratulations, Carol. Yes, it's you. It's my friend Carol. You won this gorgeous card. Thank you for sharing last week. I will be popping this in the mail to you. And I hope that you will check out my website, check out the retiring offers, check out the online exclusives. Let me know if there's anything that you would like to order. You'll also find on my website, inkyfingers.ca, you'll find all the products that I've shown today, and you'll find lots of project tutorials. You'll find my events calendar for in-person and online events, all the current catalogs, and the sign up for my email newsletter, which is the best way to keep in touch and find out all the details of everything that's going on here at Inkyfingers. So I'm so excited that we got to craft together today. I hope you have a terrific week, and I'll see you next time on Make It Monday. Bye, friends, and happy stamping!